everybody, here we are. We are out at Trailblazer here at Hersheypark. This is a gentle roller coaster, right?
It's a nice little mine train.
I think like small little tiny children can even go on this.
Yeah.
This is probably most people's first ever roller coaster that they've ever been on in this area. All right, get ready for it.
Oh.
Should I be scared or worried?
Nah, it's a good one.
All right, guys, here we go. All right, we're at the top of the lift. I'm nervous, but not really that nervous. Yeah, no, I'm all right.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Hooray!
Trailblazer!
Yay!
Oh! Whee! Nice and gentle.
It is. But after we go under the bridge, it gets crazy, right? Like crazy!
No spoilers.
Sorry. It's gonna get crazy. Ready? Here we go! Here comes the crazy part.
Straight fit, straight fit, straight fit.
And then crazy helix of Trailblazer! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! And we're back to the... And that is Trailblazer here at Hersheypark. Did you enjoy it?
Did.
It was a gentle, nice ride.